Abahlali baseloli nakwindawo ezikufutshane ngenkxaso yemibutho yoluntu babambe umngcelele obheka kwisikhululo samapolisa sase-Ennerdale kusasa ukuze bagqithise uxwebhu lwesicelo sokuba kuthatyathwe amanyathelo ngokuchasene nabantu abangaphandle abafudukela eMzantsi Afrika ngokungekho mthethweni. Abahlali bathi bangabaxhasi be-March and March Movement kunye ne-Operation Dudula kwaye bathi abemi bamazwe angaphandle abangenazo impepha banegalelo kwimingeni equka urhwebo olungekho mthethweni, ukuhlala ngokungekho mthethweni kwizindlu zomxhaso kunye nolwaphulo-mthetho olunxulumene neziyobisi. Kanti ke babongoza urhulumente ukuba agxothe abantu abafunyenwe bekweli kwilizwe ngokungekho semthethweni kwaye ajongane nenkxalabo eziphakanyiswayo zoluntu oluchaphazelekayo ngokukhawuleza.
Mbukele ngemuva nje kweinsuku ezimbili kade kunomgubho wokubungaza usuku lwentsha eNingizimu Afrika. Namuhla sesila eLoli ku-Region G lapho ke sibona khona amalungu omphakathi ephume ngothilwawo ukuzomasha emashela ke abokufika kuleli abangekho emthethweni njengoba ke kuyimbhikisho ekade yaqala ke ukuba khona. Mbukele ke omunye wabahleli balombhikisho ubeke ukuthi uhulumeni ufuna engenelele ngokukhulu ukusheshsha ukuqinisekisa ukuthi labantu bokufika babuyiselwa emazweni abo ukuze kungeke kuze kube neyinkinga eziphathelene nabo eNingizimu Afrika.
Region G is infested by illegal immigrants. I think you've seen when you've come into this area, there's a lot of informal settlements. That's where the bulk of the crime happens. That's where the illegally run spaza shops, hair salons you have going around here. So we decided as a community to come together and say, people of Region G, let's stand up. Let's be part of this cause. Let's make the government accountable. Let's make our law enforcement accountable. Deport them. That's what we are saying. I mean, we've got almost 80%, if not 90% of those people dwelling there. They are illegal foreigners. If we need to, as a community, to assist them in embarking on this journey, we are here to do it.
Kanti ke mbukeli phakathi kokunye kokuthe kwahlaluka uye wakhuluma ke ngenkohlakalo kanye nobugebengu obujule kakhulu ikakhulukazi la ku-Region G khona la eLoli athi ke benziwa ngabantu bokufika abangakwazi nokuthi betholakale ukuthi bangobani ngenxa yokuthi abekho emthethweni okubandakanya ngisho ukuthathwa kwezindlu zomxhaso zigcine seyithathwa ngabantu bangaphandle esikhundleni sokuthi zitholwe ngabantu baseNingizimu Afrika kade bayibhalisela.
The rot runs too deep in Region G. There are people that have registered for houses since 2006. They haven't gotten or been allocated to those RTB houses. But there are foreign nationals living in them. The rot is too deep. And then you get people that do not belong here. Because when a crime is committed, how do you find them? Because they are not in the system.
Mbukeli ke abahleli bale mashi bathi ke lo mbhikisho wanamhlanje useyukuzwakalisa nje umbiko wokuthi abahambisana kangakanani nezinto ezenzekayo khona la eLoli njengoba bebeka ukuthi uma kuukuthi bayaqhubeka nokuthi beshaye indiva bazokuhlela ukukhulela ngoqo wombhikisho lapho bazobe sebezwakalisa khona izimvo zabo okwedlula lokhu kwanamuhla. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngiseLoli.